I always love getting Lilysilk in the mail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Donna. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and I'm going to be like reviewing and just showing you guys what I received from Lilysilk. So I can't wait to show you guys. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start by saying that this video is in partnership with Lilysilk, and they reached out to me. I was so happy because I have been a Lilysilk fan for quite some time now. I'm obsessed with their hair scrunchies. That's all I use in my hair. And ever since I tried Lilysilk hair scrunchies, I'm not able to go back to just normal scrunchies or elastics in general, other elastics in general. I love the fact that their hair scrunchies, the elastic is thick, so it does hold your hair, it doesn't fall out. But because of the silk, there's no pulling or tugging on your hair, and there's no breakage. It's just very, very comfortable and very good for your hair as well. So I did discover Lilysilk through other YouTubers like Melon Melbourne and Shea Whitney. Because of them, they kind of convinced me to hop on the Lilysilk bandwagon. So when they reached out to me, at first I thought it wasn't real. I thought it was a joke or some kind of scam. But no, you guys, I did get some more Lilysilk. So we're gonna unbox this today. And before I start babbling on or continue babbling on, I just wanted to let you guys know everything I do show in the video today, as well as anything on their website, I do have a promo code for you all. So it's DON, D-O-N 12 for 12% off your purchase. And I am going to put that in the description box below, as well as all of Lilysilk's information, like their website and so on and so forth. Before I do unboxes, I just want to let you guys know a little bit about the brand for those of you who might not be that familiar with Lilysilk. So they do make high quality silk products, and what I love about them is that they are zero waste. So what that means is that they use any fabric remains to make other products like eye masks or their famous hair scrunchies. So they do produce very little or no waste at all, which is very, very good for the environment, very sustainable. So they are also environmentally conscious, so it kind of goes hand in hand. So their silk is sourced from mulberry trees, which need less water to grow compared to other types of trees and plants, which is very good as well. And their products are 100% natural, so it's all natural silk that goes into their products. And once you have a taste of Lilysilk, you cannot go back. I'm telling you, they're very high quality and very well priced, very affordable. So I did get their products in the mail, and this is how they come. They come in these cute little boxes that say Lilysilk in the back as well. I love the colors. We kind of match today. You can't see my pants, but they are white. And so let's take a look at what I got. So this is the first piece. It comes beautifully wrapped like this with some Lilysilk tissue paper. So my first item is a silk pillowcase, and I love silk pillowcases. I always try to sleep on silk pillowcases just because the benefits are so great. I mean, it prevents wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps your skin retain the moisture, its moisture. For your hair, it's very good as well. Like I mentioned before, it prevents breakage and frizz and all that good stuff like that we're not fans of. For those of you who do sleep in silk pajamas or are interested in that, they are very comfortable as well. They are kind of like temperature regulators, so you feel cool and you don't overheat in silk pajamas. So this is my pillowcase. I can't wait to try it tonight. And as for my second package, let's open this one. So, once again, it does come in tissue paper. And I got the Mim blouse in ivory, so I can't wait to try this on. I think it's gonna look fabulous with like jeans in the summertime. So I'm just gonna open this for you all to see. It comes wrapped like this, so you can tell these are high quality products just by the packaging. So this is the blouse. As you can tell, there is some lace trimming on the cups and as well around the neck. And I love that the buttons are in pearl. So this is gonna look beautiful. I can't wait to just try it on. It is a little wrinkled. Obviously I took it out of the box, but with some steaming, it's gonna look perfect, and I'm gonna show you that in a bit. It also does come with a sash. You can kind of wear it around your neck with the blouse. But honestly, I can also just use it for my hair and just to decorate my bags as like a twilly, or as a belt around my waist as well. So I cannot wait to try this on. The silk does feel very soft, very smooth, very cool as well. So these are their products. And let's just take a closer look. Alright guys, so here I have it paired with a pair of white jeans, and this blouse is really so lightweight, so airy, so soft. It almost feels like I'm not wearing anything at all. What I love most about this is the details on this blouse. For the price they're selling this for, the details are phenomenal. I mean, there's lace trimming on the sleeves as well as around the neck, the pearl button detail. You can see right up the front of the blouse, and as you'll see later on the sides of the sleeves as well. We also have some ruffles or gathering at the shoulders of the blouse. So I mean, for the price we're paying, it's really just a great deal. It also washes very easily and is easy to iron, so that's great as well. And what I love is that you can wear this blouse laid back like I am, with a pair of white jeans and a pair of sandals, or my next look, you can dress it up with a cream colored, or any colored rather, skirt. So as you can see in this look, I did use the silk sash they sent me, and I find it kind of like pulls the look all together. So there are really, the options with this blouse are endless. You can use it, you can wear it with the sash, without the sash, open as well. Like I mentioned, they did send a pillowcase as well, and like you can see, the pillow does fit very well inside the case. It's also very soft and smooth, so really I've been using this since I received it, and my face, when I wake up in the morning, there are no wrinkles on my cheeks or anything like that, so I feel it's really going to help prevent any wrinkles or fine lines in the future. So check out their products, you will not be disappointed. So that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I just wanted to show you guys, the boxes did come with like kind of their catalog. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, they do offer a huge variety of products. So here you have some like sheets. On the other side, you do have some pajamas, hair scrunchies, some clothing. If you take a look on their website, they have way more. So don't forget, I do have a promo code for you all, DON, D-O-N 12 for 12% off. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave all your questions and comments. If you have any questions about sizing or whatever it may be in the comment section below, I'll be sure to answer. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!